So in our last video, we talked about how we could rewrite fractions as decimals. Go ahead and write 4/10 as a fraction in your notebook. And I want to go ahead and write this as a decimal as well. 4/10, I would write this as 0 wholes and 4/10, right? And I can also do this if my fraction has a hundredths column. I can write that as 0 wholes, 0/10, 4 hundredths. But what do I do when my fraction doesn't have a denominator or a tenth or a hundredth? If it is a fraction that is a multiple or a factor of 10, or multiple or factor of 100, I can still use my equivalent fractions to convert those. Okay, so let's go ahead and think about 1/2. When we write equivalent fractions, we developed a rule. Remember, we could multiply both the top and the bottom by the same non-zero whole number in order to write an equivalent fraction. So is there a number I can multiply 2 by to get either 10 or 100? What is it? 5, right? Well, I can't write 1/2 as a fraction or decimal yet, but if I find an equivalent fraction by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 5, then I've got 5/10. Oh, bingo, bango. I can do that now, right? I can write that as 5/10, just like that. Okay? So let's think about 3/4. Is there a number I can multiply this 4 by to get a 10 or 100? There sure is.
100 to get 100.
You're right, I can't multiply 4 by anything to get 10. 4, 8, 12. We skip right over, right? But what about 100? We may not know it all the way in our, but think about 100 cents, right? What's 1/4 of a dollar then? 25 cents. So 4 times 25 on the both top and bottom. We think about a quarter is 25 cents. So if 3/4 of a dollar, that'd be 3/4, right? Or 75 cents. So you got 3 times 25 is 75. And 4 times 25, that gets our hundredths. So I've got 75 hundredths. I would write that as 0 wholes and 75 hundredths. Yeah. So friends, we will go ahead and continue practicing this in our math journals. Go ahead and say goodbye.
Bye.